driving. Make sure it ain't wrong. Your life double-sided. Watch your face like coins. What side do I get? Watch which side are you on? So what have you done? Some of your dirt has come to light. Well, are you speeding up that hill until the brakes come off? And someone saw you in a fight. Am I right? It doesn't matter to you if you get heads or tails.